The best place for a child to be is in his or her own home, and World Vision works along those directions. Their model is suited so much for the child to be in the home and actually grow, develop, and acquire skills. So that is one thing which I really believe in. The second thing is that World Vision works with the community. And for a child to be happy, a person in a family cannot be happy and grow alone. So it is important for the entire family and the community to grow. It is a very well integrated approach, uh, which is also one factor which actually appealed to me. Because actually, to be frank, I have been associated with some other NGOs also, and World Vision I think is the longest. This is something which I wanted to say. There's another point. I work for the banking regulator, so for me, accounting is extremely important, and it also gives a signal that things are working fine or not. I know how to read the signals. Whenever, even before computerization happened, whenever I wanted a receipt for my income tax declaration, I would just drop a mail and I would receive an acknowledgement in no time. That speaks a lot about the accounting and the transparency that is there within the. I have never been to any World Vision office, and as I said earlier, this is my first visit. So this promptness in service is something that I appreciate, and it is a very big signal for me because I am associated with the accounting of banks. I know when things are going okay or things are not so good. This is also a great plus. The fourth point that I want to say is that I value the donor data privacy a lot. I've been associated with a few other NGOs, as I said, and whenever I made a contribution, the next 8 to 10 days I would be plagued with appeals from so many other institutions. Calls would come asking for donations, and as a salaried person, there is only that much that you can donate, and you have to find out institutions or projects that you believe in and donate. It's not that you can. We have so much money because we are also salaried. So next 10 or 12 days, I would be plagued with the data. My data was being shared, and I knew it. So those were the institutions that I stopped associating with, and it has never happened with World Vision, for which this is one thing that is important for me, and I feel that it is a great thing, and you're doing a great job, and I know that the money that I put in, my hard-earned money, is going in the right direction, and I really appreciate the work that you're doing. Thank you so much.